Good morning, you all. Are you ready? Just, you don't know it, you can't see it, but there's an X right there. And you know why? Because X marks the spot. Here we go. So, let me introduce Virgo, or vision for the future of AI, or AI architecture, and patent pending. My name is Bertrand Hassani. I'm the group CEO of Quant AI Lab, a company I co-founded 5 years ago. This is the fruit of years of R&D, and this is the future. Let me put it in plain English. Today, AI is far too expensive. Far too expensive. Why? Because the current paradigm is the following. The bigger, the better. If you take GPT-4, 1.73 trillion parameter, the human brain is 86 billion neurons. Obviously, it's not directly comparable, but you see that there is some inefficiency. When we talk with our customers, and we have a lot, 100% of them are telling us the following. We invested millions in architecture, in infrastructure, in POCs, but the value behind it is not that much. Everybody's talking about POCs, POCs, POCs. The only thing that I know when people are talking about POCs is smallpox, chickenpox. It's a disease. We got to think industrial, and that's what we did. Virgo tackles 4 main shortfalls. First, it reduces the size of algorithms. You don't need to capture everything to address a specific issue. You don't have to learn the entire songs of the Rolling Stones to try to find a cure for cancer. Second, we are over-relying on super large data centers. Why? Get the relevant information, use it as such. 3, the worst for me, generic learning, the one size fits all. Why? You think like you can address everything the same way? Doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. And 4, it's time consuming and it's super expensive. The results speak for themselves. With our architecture, and we applied it on financial use cases, on logistical use cases, and even like on something deeper for meta-learning, the running cost is cut by a factor of 50%, the computing time by a factor of 30%, and we improve the precision of the current algorithms by a factor of more than 20%. We wanted to stay humble here. It's a new era. It's a new era. What happens is we can fine-tune this algorithm locally. We can adapt it to your specifics. So it's sovereign by design. It's specific, and we can improve the precision upon. The performance is a lot better compared to all the other architecture we tested. Again, it's patent pending. We have the results. We have the analysis. What is good for you? We reduce the cost of run massively. So, if now I dig a bit more into the architecture as such, we mimic how the human brain is functioning. If you raise your hand, you do not use your entire brain. When I speak, I do not use my entire brain. Only specific areas allow me to perform these tasks. It's the same with this architecture. We splitted the tasks in several elements or components. It's like different cells. We call them here microagents. One microagent is basically selecting the type of information interesting. And the way we use it here is through competitive learning, in the sense that we will only filter the relevant information. Second, we capture experience over time. The fact that you learn something addressing another task, and you can use partially some elements to improve the performance of your architecture. We capture the fact that when we think, it's not linear. It's usually convoluted. That when we think twice about a problem, the way we answer it is different. We capture the minority report, the fact that you might have several opinions about a topic, and there is not just one that defines the ground truth. This is captured. And eventually, the output is relevant, is something that you can use, that you can trust, and that you can earn money with it, basically. What you see right now is that actually, there's supposed to be a video. Okay, the video doesn't start. Never mind. Here was supposed to show how we industrialized it and how we used it, creating a deep research platform. Combined with multi-agents, what we did is capturing various sources, generate a summary, a report that could be used adequately to analyze the behavior of a company, of a person, or anything for the matter. In essence, this platform is more precise, it's faster, and it's more efficient. Virgo is the AI reboot. Why? Because it takes your problem and gives you a solution to your problem in an efficient manner, in a sovereign manner, in a sustainable manner, free of data center. So you are not wasting money anymore, and you can use it to earn money, to make better decisions. I'd like to thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed it. It's our first release of Virgo. We already used it. Our customers are satisfied with that. My team and I are available today and tomorrow to answer any question or to deep dive into this architecture. And I hope I'll see you soon.